Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. Let us reflect the parable shared by Jesus to us today. No one tears a piece from a new cloak to patch an old one, otherwise it will not match the old cloak. No one pours new wine into old wineskins, otherwise it will burst, it will be spilled, and the skillness will be ruined. And it is part of the eternal plan of God when He made the universe to make things beautiful and to make things orderly. Ang maayos ang lahat ng bagay. May bagong biyaya para makita natin ang magandang resulta nito. May mga bagong pagkakataon o mga ibinubuhos sa atin upang hindi tayo magmukhang sira-sira o hiwa-hiwalay. Such is God's will that whenever we get, embrace, and grasp on blessings, we also appear good as new. And such is the invitation, my dear brothers and sisters, to recognize first and foremost how God has been pouring new things to us. New day, new hours of being productive, new chances of relationships, new blessings that we grasp on every day, new chances of learning, new chances to live life. At dahil may bago, at bakit ba may bago? Para patuloy tayong magmukhang maayos, maganda, at mabuti sa buhay na ito. It is not part of God's will that like a new wine poured into old wineskins, we will burst, we will be spilled, or we will be ruined. Nais ng Diyos, maayos, maganda, at mabuti tayo. There are new chances, new blessings, and new graces so that we will be beautiful, so that we will be well, and so that we can also be great. Let us recognize those experiences of newness when God would pour over new things over us, because new things will make us better, lead us to greater days, and will accompany us to a beautiful life. Let us have that eyes so that we can see the new things God has been offering unto us. Ayaw niya tayong magmukhang sira-sira, pero dahil sa pag-ibig at grasya ng Diyos, nais niya ang ating kabuuan at ang ating pong kagandahan.